How you doing? Welcome to this video. Today we're going to quickly discuss at request service. Um, this is very similar to at request Puppet, and it's like modeled almost exactly the same, but it's not for making in-character requests. It's for making out-of-character requests about things that you need help with. So in the way that we've been managing things for years is when you get stuck and can't move, or you're stuck sitting, or there's an error in processing something, or you need a respec, or you got a bad advantage roll for disadvantages, and you don't think it's fitting your character, and you want to mulligan. You'd X help, and eventually an admin would be around to answer your request. But that's not exactly the best way to handle it, given that there's not always an admin available that can actually fulfill your request, and so notes are left, and admin are pinged, and have to jump online, or things like that. So we want to streamline that process in the same way that we've done for puppets. And to do that, we have created at service or at request service. And from there, if you type the command, and you can go ahead and type it right now or after you watch this video, you'll see a list of things that are covered and some examples. Every time you type the command, the examples change a little bit for some of them to give you a different idea. So if you get stuck somewhere, you can request service. Now, this is not a replacement entirely for X helping. If you're stuck and you can't move, you can X help, and an admin will try to help you. That admin may not be able to help you and may tell you to create a service request if there isn't an admin that's on that can actually handle the issue. So for high priority things that are really like preventing you from playing the game, you should continue to X help, and the command will tell you that after you've put in your service request. So try to use this command sparingly. I mean, if it's something that you feel you need, then use it, and we'll be able to get your request as soon as possible. As the command states, though, making a request does not mean that we will approve it. Just because you've asked for a respec does not mean we're going to grant you one. You'll be prompted to give reasons behind your request. So that's where you would detail, hey, I was doing this, and I got stuck, and I need to be fixed. Or, hey, I got a bad advantage roll, and it doesn't fit my character. You can check their history. They are this, and you can check my stats, and it doesn't, or my skills, and it doesn't make sense. Or if you hit max UE and you want to respec, or if there's a big code change and you feel like your character had a skill that was really valuable, and that skill is no longer makes sense for the character, maybe you want to respec. The normal typical rules for these things apply. You only get one mulligan, you only get one respec, so these are not things that you should request wantonly. The same exact way you wouldn't over X-Help. So that's the new service request, and hopefully it will streamline the process of getting requests handled and allowing us to track what requests are pending. So I hope you like it and that it helps us to manage the game more efficiently. Thanks.